We have a Champion 20-inch box fan. This one has a Westinghouse motor. I believe it's from 1976. I don't remember. Or 75. One of those 2 years, I'm not sure. But these are kind of oddball fans too. Don't see many of them. And when you do, better grab them because I don't think there's many left. This is a 20-inch 3-speed Champion box fan. It's got 3 speeds there, off, high, medium, low, UL approved. It's got the handle there. It's in this shade of green, not quite avocado green, but it's about the same color as the frigid box fan I have by Lakewood. Guess you could call it avocado green. I don't know. There's the back of it. It's got a singular motor brace. It's a model something 20L-3. Champion Cooler Corporation. Code letter A, 60 cycles, 110 volts. And all the paint on that motor is gone, so I have no idea what year it's from. But it's from the 70s, I know that much. And it's got these little feet, which I don't know why. The fan's definitely wide enough. It doesn't need them, but they're there. I know there's a couple other collectors that have one of these or 2 of these, but I don't see many of them around, so figured I'd give this another video. Started off on high. Oh, it moves a lot of air. Moves a lot of air. It's pretty quiet. Go to medium. And look. Definitely a good running fan. Got a nice harmonizing sound to the motor. Doubt it. But anyway, back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. Yeah, it's a good fan. Has a long coast down. Well, it's not as long as I thought it was, but still pretty good. I believe this is like a Torcan style blade. Not Torcan. Torrington blade. It's pretty similar to one of those, I guess, but it's got the green hub, Westinghouse motor, which we're going to get startup sounds from now, since we're here. So, start off on what? medium. And high. There you go. There's the Champion home cooler from the 1970s. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And have a good one.